Good day mga ka-soulmate. It's second week of spring 2025. And we're planning to cut all these roses. Kasi shrubs sila eh. Nagiging ano siya, bushes. My husband doesn't like the style kasi masyadong lumalawak at hindi mo nakikita talaga yung beauty. So we are planning to cut all of this and build another rose garden. So it's a new task, except this one, yung nasa malapit kay Mama Mary. We will just prune it, but everything in the under the shed will be removed. And we will buy a new set of roses. Siguro yung mas mataas siya. Hindi ganito na shrub. Kasi ito naka-spread out eh. Ang hirap lumakad. Ang hirap i-clean yung surrounding. So ganito kadumi. No? So nabawasan na to kasi I tried to clean it up yesterday. So more or less makikita nyo na yan yung aming grape vine. I think I have to do some cleaning. Yung hugasan ko to ng water and baking soda and soap. Yan, para pumuti uli. Kasi ganyan yan eh, yearly. Nagkakaroon siya ng mold because of prolonged winter. So yan. Yung ibang halaman, nag-exist na, nabuhay na, they started to grow again. Pero marami rin ang namatay, especially yung annuals. Wala na yung magagandang annuals ko. So, I will start cleaning again kasi tomorrow will be garbage. So, later on the day, I will show you what I have done. So, yan, makikita nyo, papakita ko sa inyo yung yung aming initial cleaning. So, makikita mo yung autumn dew started to show yung mga green leaves, pero mababa pa sila. Siguro ipoprune namin yung iba na japonica. Usually they call it tropical something, pero it takes a long while. Anyway, it's a second week after we had started spring, kaya talaga makikita nyo. Pero mabuti na lang na bawasan na the entire garbage. Yung aking black currant, nakikita nyo doon, nag-start na. And so this is the initial documentation kung ano naman ang gagawin ko para magkaroon ng new look itong ating garden. Okay, this is all for now. I'll look us again from Langley, BC. I hope makikita ninyo ang transformation from initial spring cleaning up to the time na mag-summer. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.